Hey guys, in this video I'll be answering the Maths Method Sample Exam 2 multiple choice question number 5. We've got the function g, where g of x equals sine of 2 times x minus pi on 6 as an inverse function. The maximum possible value of a is... For g of x to have an inverse, we need to restrict its domain so it becomes a one-to-one function, meaning that it has to pass the horizontal line test. Now there's a couple ways we can approach this question, but the easiest is to use the calculator to graph g of x and then restrict its domain with each of these options and see which value of small a is going to make the graph of g of x a one-to-one function. And so starting with option A, the value of small a, we want it to be pi on 12. And so going to the graphing page, we want to sketch the graph of g of x. However, we need to state its domain, and so we're going to restrict its domain from minus pi on 12 to pi on 12. We can zoom in to get a better view. Looking at the graph, we can see that this is going to pass the horizontal line test, and so g of x would have an inverse when small a is equal to pi on 12, making option A the answer for this question. Now for the purpose of this video, let's see what happens when we try another couple of options. Let's test option C. If we restrict the domain from minus pi on 6 to pi on 6, looking at the graph, we can see that g of x will not be a one-to-one function, and so therefore it's not going to have an inverse for the domain where the value of a is pi on 6. Let's try the value of 1, option B. And again, we can see that the graph of g of x will fail the horizontal line test if the value of small a is equal to 1. Now you can test out the other options if you like, but that's it for this video. Now if you guys want to learn or practice more exam questions related to inverse functions, then log into the Maths Methods Club where you can group past exam questions related to inverse functions. To do this, just click on Functions and Graphs when you log in, and then from the subtopic select Inverse Functions. Here you're going to see all the past exam questions related to inverse functions. And if you want to try out multiple choice questions only, go to question type and select multiple choice. There's over 20 different questions you can try. Go through these and see if you can correctly answer them, and if you can't, you can watch the video solutions to see how to answer the question. This way, you're going to be better prepared to answer inverse function questions when it comes to your SACS and exams. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.